enough of this fucking band, man.
Okay.
You know.
What are we gonna do next?
Ain't nothing new up under the sun. She ain't with a boy, I don't want none. Girls just wanna have fun. I'm trying to get my funds, count my funds.
Looks like an octopus.
You suck. Oh my fuck!
Hey, happy Halloween!
Hey, yeah, you want some coke? Okay. Meet me at the docks in 20 minutes. I'll bring 20 keys. We'll do the hit up, and then that'll be good. Alright, buddy. Talk to you later. Okay.
I died,
You're insane, my friend. Yeah, you do!
It's me! It's me!
Oh, my earball! I turned my ear, bro.
That's it.
Can't smoke in here.
Today is Saturday, August the 27th. It is probably one of my last parties here on 75 Borden Street. So come and drink if you dare. I'm moving. Where? London.
London?
I'll be there forever.
When did you guys come back?
No. Till I move to Sarnia.
Where are you
My
going to
tate's done.
Sarnia?
I mean, Australia.
Oh yeah, and I'm going with you.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay.
I'll pick you up Sunday night.
Okay. We won't go then.
10 o'clock. I can't get this thing focused unless I can't focus on it. I'll put the date on too.
Can I see it too?
What do you want to see?
I want to see it clear.
You can use it now.
me.
Bang! Caught you looking for the same thing. It's a new thing. Check out this I bring. The roll below the level, cause I'm living low next to the base. Come on! Turn up the radio. They're claiming I'm a criminal. But now I wonder how. Some people never know. The enemy could be the Frank Guardian. I'm now a hooligan. I rock the party and clear all the madness. I'm not a racist. Preach to teach the all. Cause don't they never had this? Number one, never wanna run about the gun. I wasn't licensed to have one. The minute they see me, fear me. I'm the epitome of public enemy. Use, abuse without rules. I refuse to blow a fuse. They even had it on.
He's a jack off, that's true. What the fucking Christ is that? Jesus.
What do you want, A or B?
Hey.
Hey, I'm in love. My fingers keep on clicking to the beating of my heart. Hey, I can't stop my feet. Ebony and ivory and dancing in the street. Hey, it's 'cause of you. The world is in a crazy, hazy hue. My heart's beating like a jungle drum.
Yeah, when I was only 17, I could hear the angels whispering. So I drove into the weather.
Hey, where'd everybody go? Junkie whores.
I was hoping we'd go out and get some and some
Alright, here's to that.
Okay, key location. I can't key locate with you in the bait. Key locations.
Okay, you want anything else, Darren?
Hey man.
I'm sorry, could you say that again?
We got everything?
Medium orange and a small Coke and 2 hamburgers and 2 waters.
Small Coke?
Yes.
Yes.
2 hamburgers, medium one, small Coke.
We want the
2 waters. I love doing the dishes all night long. Getting old now?
Yeah.
There you
Maybe
go.
I'm 30 this year. 30.
No,
Can you
you're not
imagine being
30.
30?
No.
I don't know, I had my first heart attack. Fuck you! That guy pisses me off. I'm not waiting for everybody.
Hey, I can be the answer. I'm ready to dance when the vamp up. Then when I hit that dip, get your camera. You can see you in that bitch, shit's the camper. In the DM, that young sister beacon. The bitch who wants to compete. And I can freak fit that pump with the peepin'. You know what your bitch become when her weepin'. I just wanna sip that punch with your peeps and sit in that
on that? Tripod. Deluxe features includes 3 8-leg warmers, 1 pitch shifter, there we go, rocket launcher. You load your weapons in here, aim and fire the weapon. Careful.
You better be very careful.
Just had one wish.
What's that? What's your wish?
That the fuckers would leave me alone.
They won't leave you alone until you're fucking dead, dude. You wanna go back to eating rats?
Rats it is. I got one in the freezer, you want one?
In a bit, yeah.
Boom! Cut the head right off. Just suck the blood right out. And then yeah, fuck it.
Why, you fucked the dead rat?
Yeah, right where the head was.
Yeah, right! What the fuck's that, shark bait?
You take it like this.
Oh, you're
snap the neck.
Watch the cigarette, dude. You're gonna burn my head out.
Fuck it.
Fuck you, then.
Don't dance like that.
I gotta pick up the cigarette. We got a drain pipe in here.
Drain it then, you fucking mouse pad.
Look at this Sasquatch on his back.
Sasquatch footprint.
They told me I was gonna die today.
Respect the retina.
Respect the retina.
Kitty cat, do whatever I say.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat,
Kitty cat.
kitty cat,
Kitty cat.
don't kill Timmy today.
Yeah!
Someday we'll be there in the limelight of our wicked dance.
Hey man, do you got mouth disease?
We go, mother. Just warming up, obviously. And you just bitch. Come on. You. Oh. Fuck. Okay. Don't fucking take it from me. Badminton is a shit fucking thing to do. Told about a brand new copy, never used before, maybe once or twice, that's it. It's called Adobe to Photoshops. Do you like to edit the movies? Do you like... It doesn't edit movies, does it? Does it? John, does it edit movies? Casper. Is anyone here? Fuck. Where's John? Did Gary go home? It's called Adobe's the Photoshop. You put all the colors, you mix it down, you print your pictures, you put it on your wall, looks like a brand new art gallery for your fucking family. See you next time on Art Talk with Park Mark.